Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since all of you guys know this is my quarantine series going on and I've been telling you tips and tricks and DIYs to do at your home this lockdown. And today what I'm going to tell you are some alternative uses of a very basic ingredient that all of us have in our houses, which is aloe vera gel. If not the artificial one, I guess most of the Indian households have aloe vera, either the plant or the gel. All of us know that aloe vera has a lot of remedial qualities and different types of qualities. But today, what I'm going to tell you is 5 varying uses that you can put aloe vera to. These are all things that we could never imagine of, and we could never imagine using aloe vera as substitutes for these things. But today I'm going to tell you guys, so just stick to the video. So the number one use that I'm going to tell you is something that you guys would have seen if you watched my first IGTV on my Instagram, obviously. Over there I put the aloe vera to this use, which is as a makeup primer. Aloe vera gel can be used as an amazing makeup primer, provided that you guys have oily skin type. People who have only oily skin types can use aloe vera gel as their makeup primer, because it obviously soaks away all the excess oil that your skin has. So dry skin people cannot use it as a primer because it is going to make your skin drier and your makeup may crack over it. But oily skin type people can anyways use it as a makeup primer. Number 2 hack is acne treatment. Now all of you who are my age or around my age, who have crossed their teens, may know the pain that the youngsters go through when they are in their adolescence due to the weird acne pimples that they get. I have been through this, and a lot of people have, and I understand and I agree with all of you. When I was in my adolescence, my elder sister introduced me to aloe vera gel, and I used to put it on my acne at the night time when I used to sleep, and then when I used to wake up, it used to get all absorbed into the skin, and over a span of 2 to 3 days my acne used to get instantly cleared. So aloe vera gel is a really great treatment for acne. Number 3 is a very unique use that I also didn't know till some time, but now that I know, I'm really grateful. I'm really glad that I know it now, and I don't have to spend money on buying an alternative for this, is using aloe vera gel as an eyebrow gel. Yes, eyebrow gel. Now you know when you do your eyebrows, if you don't set them in place using something liquidy, some gel-like thing, they tend to move up and down, and it does not look really nice when you have all the face done and the eyebrows are moving. So using aloe vera gel as an eyebrow gel is something that I highly recommend. Take it on some mascara wand or your eyebrow wand, and just brush it through your brows, and your brows are going to stay where they are for the entire day. I have tried it, and trust me, it really works. Number 4 hack is using aloe vera gel as a makeup remover. Aloe vera gel acts as an amazing makeup remover. It does not leave your skin dry, and it instead acts as a makeup removing balm, provided that you don't have a very full coverage, heavy duty waterproof makeup. If you have that sort of a makeup, it is going to be a little difficult for you to remove it using an aloe vera gel. But if you have like a BB cream sort of a makeup or sheer coverage foundation sort of a makeup, then it is going to help you a lot. So using aloe vera gel as a makeup remover is hack number 4. Number 5 hack is using aloe vera gel as a dandruff fighter. There's this hair mask wherein you put a lot of other ingredients and aloe vera gel with it, and apply it on your hair, leave it for 20 minutes, and then you wash it off, and it is going to prove very instrumental in removing your dandruff issues. If you guys want me to do a detailed video on the aloe vera hair mask, I can do it. Just let me know in the comment sections down below. Okay, so that were a few of aloe vera gel hacks that I use personally, except the dandruff one because I don't have that issue, that's good. Otherwise, you can use any of these hacks. All of these are tried and tested by me. You can trust me on them. Try them yourself, and I promise, pinky promise, you guys are not going to regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.